So we have run into the second day of Ahar at Chennai, and we have with us the president of SICA, South India Chef Association, Chef Aurora. Welcome to our show.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's my pleasure. And I should welcome all of you
So if you
to
can
take out your time.
can
And you
show
are
us
here
around.
already.
Yeah.
I'll tell you first about the South India Culinary Association.
Yes.
It's the first association which was formed in India. You have many associations in the world earlier, but in
absolutely.
1998,
Uh-huh.
Chef Soundarajan and Chef Natarajan and all the chefs, I was in Mumbai that time, but they thought of forming the South India Culinary Association so that the chefs can come together on one platform and share their experience, knowledge.
Got it.
So they formed first association in India in 1998 or 97.
Got it.
And there were around 35 to 40 members those days. And today, after around it's around 16 now, from 98, around 20 years, almost 18 to 20 years, we are more than 1,800 members in SICA
Okay.
as
So
of now.
As you can see, we are in the competition area. So I'm interrupting you, but what is this area?
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. What first about SICA, so that you understand why SICA was formed. It was formed so that all chefs come together and share their experience and their knowledge and same single platform. Where earlier it was different story altogether in India. You know, people didn't know that what is happening in other hotel. So then we started the culinary competitions. This is the fourth edition of during Ahar. More than 18 to 19 hotel participate in culinary competition since last 4 years. Last year, every 2 years we are participating in Ahar.
Okay.
We had around 564 participation last year,
Okay.
and this edition we have more than 750 till now.
Wow.
So
Okay.
that's good. And then first time an international team is participating in SICA.
Okay. Which is that team, sir?
Mauritius team has flown in from Mauritius
Okay.
because we are experimenting that when international team comes, how to take care of them and how to help them to set up their food and all. So that next year we are planning to host or invite more than 25 international teams. So we want to make this competition and real international competition. This year we have team from Bangalore, we have team from Delhi, we have team from other parts of Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
So it's nice, you know. It's very nice that chefs come all along together and ensure that the level of competition is really high.
Okay. So one question is that we have similar competitions in Delhi where the ICF organizes, and you are doing the same thing. I can see some difference, but what is the notable difference between your format and theirs?
There's no pattern difference. There are 3 associations which are conducting good competition. Vika conducts in Mumbai, ICF conducts in Delhi. We exchange programs, we invite their jury members to ensure that they come here and we go there. Now next month I'll be in Delhi to judge the competition which they are having in October. Okay. It's very necessary because in regional particularly, it's very necessary for all of us to understand and for the growth of young chefs. The vision is very clear. All association has only one vision to ensure that the chef fraternity reaches at next level. There are many countries who participate in international culinary. Unfortunately, India did not participate in many. There is even Olympics, which happens
we
every
got to
4
know.
years.
Yeah.
So it's in October.
Yes,
Next
Chef Uma
month.
Shankar, I believe, was
Earlier, India never participated in that. Chef Uma Shankar, we have one chef who participated with his own pocket money.
Okay.
He spent around 4-5 lakh rupees. It's not easy to participate in international
I understand, yeah.
platform. This year, I think Uma Shankar is again participating with his son even.
Yeah, we got to know.
So I feel proud about it. So that's the thing. We want to develop young chefs up to that level so they can go and participate. This year we are planning to shortlist 6 chefs, young chefs who can be trained.
Okay.
up to that level, and then we will send them to food hospitality world, to Gulf food, to Indonesia. So
Yeah.
then they get ready in
That's
next
a
4
great-
years.
that's a great
so they can go
initiative.
and participate in Olympics. So that's the vision which we have.
Wonderful. That's a good initiative.
That's
So,
very necessary, otherwise it becomes very difficult for us to compete internationally. India stands at 86th or 87th position like Olympics, unfortunately. We want India to be in top 10. That's the vision in next 4 to 5 years.